Being a sports physiotherapist, you must know about all of the most commonly occurring sports injuries. So these are ankle sprains, hamstring strains, groin pull, rotator cuff injuries, knee injuries like ACL tear, lateral epicondylitis, stress fractures, shin splints, patellofemoral syndrome or runner's knee. So these are the most commonly occurring injuries. So how you can manage them? The most important thing for a sports physiotherapist is to know how to treat at least these basic conditions. Being a sports physiotherapist, you at least have to know how to treat all of these conditions, and for that you have to read the research papers, articles, what are the researches that have already done on all of these conditions, how you can manage them by applying best techniques. And you have to also focus on the warm up exercises, strengthening, stretching exercises, cool down exercises, and about the hydration. Guide them to stay hydrated, take proper rest, proper diet, because proper rest is necessary for their better performance. If their body is saying that they need rest, then they have to listen to their body and you have to guide them. So now let's talk about the common sports in which these injuries occur. When we talk about swimming, rotator cuff injury is most commonly seen. In basketball players, you can see knee injuries. Football players, you can see knee injuries. Hamstring strains, you can see in basketball players. Volleyball players, shin splint. Then in runners, you can easily see the shin splint. In tennis players, you can see tennis elbow, golfer's elbow. In runners, you can also see runner's knee or patellofemoral syndrome. In jumpers, you can also see jumper's knee. Ankle sprains, you can see in runners, volleyball players, basketball players. So these are the most commonly occurring sports injuries that you can find in sports players. Thank you so much for watching.